Budon kech kata nyuro nagomba kaka gi Dr. Mathizo Willi men DG ma Kisumu to wacho ni gima shida kae ni pesa mok chop ne counties e wang sa. Sirikal mamalo kor ne gi pesa. No ngisa ni kata nyuro dweche ariyo mokalo pok gichulo jotije mora mora e county.
Ini mana shida mantika. Ini wacho ni pukit kaponi in county government wacho ni pok yudo pesa dweche ariyo pok chulo jotich. To o expect jotich or the heritage.
To ginere makosa gi kaporo sirikal mamalo be ok chudi.
Yene gene employer. You are supposed to negotiate with the employer. So can employer telling you go to work, it is their responsibility to ensure that they have the funds to pay. There is what you call all source revenue. Other projects the county are running. It means also the national government they need any counties pesa. There's delay. The national government delay. Enforcement mechanism manage when pesa go biro. National government watch UHC, Universal Healthcare. You watch any geonegubende subtende to pesa or gimme counties. Why would then that be the conversation? They need the matter give more pesa bedo. Some counties we can't explain why some counties have made arrangements to ensure that there's payment of salaries on time. You know, chulo salaries on time. Mombasa will pay on time. The previous governor, Mombasa, will sometimes delay 2 months, 4 months, but this one now pays on time. Kwale pays on time. So what arrangements have these employers made? Mame ensure get chulo on time to another county has not done the same. Makoro jibedo 3 months, 4 months. So yet some other activities the county is dimbele. Nairobi is one of the biggest also revenue collector in the country. Nairobi County, same to Nakuru County, and you see healthcare basically in the county is one of the main devolved function. Dogi, kono kapone jogi choko pesa. To gi choko pesa to Timothy Jamoko la kejo mati yo makelo gi yokmi okchul. Onge there's no way munya le expect the teach mo diano hospital. Kono the best in my county is that watching kaporojo no gi counties mo bedo court or neko chopeleka beach ko chule mshara okone gi teach. Ni mar samedi teach no landlord do no chule. Kono mane yuara kumwana. Kono in effect wacho gani care teach marajo counties gi national government okone go bendi bedo mzig jotich.
Kono sani